Students, in the first part, that is in the first video, what we have seen, construction 1 and construction 2. Construction 2 almost we have finished it. What we have done in that construction, we have drawn one line L and we have to draw another line which will be parallel to this line L. So the question in the example, it is given, draw a line parallel to line L at a distance 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so we have to draw a parallel line which is at a distance of original line at a 2.5 centimeter distance. So what we have taken here, we have drawn one line L and we have taken point A and point B on that line, and we have drawn the perpendiculars from A and perpendiculars from B, and we have note down that distance 2.5 as point P and 2.5 from B as point Q, and then we have joined this PQ and extended that line. So line PQ is parallel to line L now. So how to write the answer? Line PQ is parallel to line L at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So here we have completed examples which are given on 12th and 13th page, that is construction 1 and 2, and now we will start practice set 2.3. The first question of practice set 2.3 is, draw a line L, take a point A outside the line, and through point A draw a line parallel to the line N. So here again we have to draw a parallel line L and take point A outside the line. Outside the line means upward, wherever you can take point A. And here in the practice set, already we have done the example 1, that is construction 1. Same way you have to do this construction also. So start now. What we'll do, the first set square we will put like this and bring it towards A. Second set of triangle, that is set square, we will bring it up to A. In this way we will hold both the sets, both the set squares, and what we will do, we will draw a parallel line from A in this way, and also we will extend this line to left side also and do the arrow on both the sides. Okay, so same way, and name this line as M, and in this way we have drawn line M which is parallel to line L through a point A which is outside the line. How to write the answer now? Right, line M is parallel to line L. In this way we have completed first question of practice set 2.3. Same second question also we have to do in this way only. So let us start second question of practice set 2.3. What is the second question? Again we have to draw a line L, take a point T outside here, and through point T draw a line parallel to line L. So first of all what we have to do, draw a line L. So students, you will take a ruler over here, take a pencil, and now ruler. So draw a parallel line. First you will draw one line which is given as, name it as L, and again you have to take a point T outside the line. What is given in the question? Point T outside the line. So let us take point T outside. So where is our line? Our line is here. So we will take a point P outside the line. So let us name it as P, and now again take both the set squares, because in the same way you have to do. So first set square you will bring it up to point T. Okay, here we have to name the point as T. So name this point as T. rub this point P. Okay, so towards P, and now this we will bring the set square, first set square up to that point T, and bring the second set square up to that point T. Okay, and now we will draw a line. In this way you will draw a line. Rub that point P first, and now what you will do, you will name it as T in this way. Okay children, and now draw a line. You will draw a line beside this point T. Okay, it has been rubbed now. So draw a line through that point which is parallel. Hold both the set square like this up to that point T, and then draw a parallel line. Extend this line to this side also, and name that line as M. So through that point T we have drawn a parallel line also. Now first line is L and the parallel line is M. So how to write the answer again? Line M is parallel to line L. So we have completed second question also of practice set 2.3. Now come towards the third question of that exercise practice set 2.3. Let us see how to do this question. Draw a line M, draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 4 cm from it. So this question is similar to the construction 2. So here also what we will do, we will draw a line M first. So let us draw line M. Below here is a line M, and now you have to take any 2 points on this line. So let us take P and Q. Any 2 points you can take and draw 2 perpendiculars from that point. So let us take one perpendicular. What we'll do,